What's up guys, welcome to another unboxing video. This is Cheeseburgers Man. Today we are unboxing the Bose Alto lenses, the mirror and the blue. These are the Bose Alto large. If you don't know what these are Bluetooth sunglasses where nothing exactly goes in your ear. If you see, there's little speakers underneath there, and it actually, when you put them on, hardly anyone can hear around you. Even if you have it at full volume, only you would be able to hear. Now these are awesome. I had them for about 6 months, and with a full charge you can get up to 4.5-5 hours of playtime. The battery is not that great, but if you don't want to bring or have something in your ear, you're still able to hear sounds around you even though the songs are playing. So I do highly recommend it. It's a great product. These retail over $249, but I've seen them on sale as low as $199 on Amazon. They are fantastic, but this is not what we're unboxing. We're unboxing the lenses themselves. These lenses are not that dark, and I think they could have been darker, so I want to change them out. I have the mirror one and the blue ones over here. So let's get this underway. And then we have our mirrors right here, and there we have it. What's up, y'all? What's going on? Cheeseburgers, man. So as you can see here, it has a nice little magnet right there. Now we're gonna put these bad boys on, and I'll show you how to take these out. So what you do is you flip them over like so, and you're gonna put pressure right here, and you're gonna pop them out just like that. So there are. You just do it on the other side, hold them like so, and push right here, and they'll pop right out. Now to put these bad boys on, what we're gonna do is flip it the other way. Instead of having it like so, we're gonna flip it this way, and then we're gonna put the lens. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna push right here, then on top, then bottom, and then they should snap on like so. Now let's do the other side. Like I said, push here first, bottom left, then over here, then up here, then down there, and then we have them right there. Mirror ones. Pretty flashy. All right. So we have the mirror ones. Now let's get these bad boys open. These are the dark blue, which does not look dark blue at all. Blue gradient. Now these look actually a lot lighter than the ones that it came with, but we'll put them on just the same. Now we have all of them right there. You can actually see the different colors. These are the original ones that it came with. These are the blue gradient, and these are the mirrored silver. So let's take a look at what the blue gradient looks like. So if you hear that snap, you know that they're in. Bottom left, top right, top left. All right, and there you have it. I'm gonna say that so far, the mirror silver is going to be my favorite. I want to thank you guys for checking out this video. I'm going to pop these out again. I want to thank you guys for checking out this video. Please let me know what you think. Which one's your favorite? Put your comments down there. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, send me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks a lot, and you guys have a wonderful day.